In this video, we'll go through the process of using the switch component in RPA Desktop Design Studio to create a simple decision-making automation. First, open the Toolbox pane in RPA Desktop Design Studio. Expand the Conditions section and drag and drop the switch component onto the design surface. Next, select the Add Value icon to set the values for matching. You can select the icon multiple times to add as many values as needed. Data imports are dynamically created to accept the values for comparison. In this demo, enter comparison values such as red, green, and white. Now, let's expand the General section in the Toolbox panel. Drag and drop the variable component onto the design surface. Double-select the field under the variable component bar to configure it. Enter a static value, such as white. For testing purposes, drag and drop 4 message box show components onto the design surface to verify the output of the switch component. For the first message box, double-select the message field and enter red to display when the condition matches red. For the next 2 message boxes, we'll enter green and then white. For the 4th message box, we'll enter no match to display when the condition does not match any of the specified options. We'll connect all the control ports and data ports through to the end component. Now we'll run the automation to test the scenario. Select the Run button to execute the automation. And since the variable is set to white and matches the white option in the switch component, the message box will display white. Select OK to close the message box. Let's run another scenario. We'll update the static value in the variable component to orange and select the Run button again. Since the variable value orange does not match any of the given options in the switch component, the message box will display no match. Now we can find the exact match of a value among multiple values as part of an automation workflow by using the switch component in RPA Desktop Design Studio.